How to save places using collections. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Here, simply add your location at the top. Then on the left side, simply search what you want to search, restaurants or places you want to save. You'll find all the options at the bottom. Simply scroll down and select the place you want to save in your collection. Here, press on Save with a bookmark icon. After you click on Save in here, it will be saved in your collection. Make sure you're logged into your account before adding this. Or if you click on Save, it will show you a login page. You can log into your account. This is how to save places using collections. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.